yeah, let me show you how it works. So I just came here, I created a file in my Python projects. It's called student class, and that's what we are working with today. So in this case, the first step, I started building a class called the student. So I build, so in this, when I use hash, remember I'm using is a comment. So create a class to represent a student in a class, and that's what I went on and did. So I created a class known as student, and then the second thing that I'm doing is I define my class. So this is the function that you use. This is the So I'm trying to create a class that will be able to define the name, the age, and the grade of the students. From there, now I start naming my object or my class. So the self is the parameter that represents the object, and then we have the this one to represent the object. So let's name our self name. So the self name is, so the self is the self here, and then the name, what we have described it there above in our definition. And then the second thing is the self age, and then we have the grade. So from there we want to return or to read or to print the above object. So we go on, we use the define method as well. So here let's fix the indentation. You know, in Python, indentation is very key. So from there, so we will say return. So return is another way of saying print. So return the student name. So you can see here the name is self name. So here is our let's put some of the comments to